Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a year drop-down list in Excel in just a few simple steps. Start by creating your list of years. Pick a column on your worksheet and type each year you want in the drop-down in a separate cell. For example, 2020, 2021, 2022, and so on. You can do this on the same sheet or on a separate sheet if you want to hide it later. Once you've typed all your years, you should see them listed vertically down the column. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. This could be a single cell like B2, or you can select multiple cells if you want the drop-down in several places. You'll see the cell border highlight when it's selected. Go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. In the Data Tools group, click the Data Validation button. The Data Validation dialog box will open with the Settings tab already selected. In the Allow drop-down menu, select List. A source box will appear below it. Click inside the source box, then click the small icon on its right side to collapse the dialog. This makes it easier to select your range. Click and drag to select all the cells containing your year list. Once you've selected them, click the icon again to return to the dialog, and the range reference will appear in the source box. Make sure the In-Cell drop-down checkbox below the source box is ticked. It should be by default. This is what creates the drop-down arrow in your cell. Click OK at the bottom of the dialog to apply the validation. The dialog will close and you'll see a small drop-down arrow appear on the right side of your cell. To test it, click on the cell, then click the drop-down arrow. You should see your full list of years appear, and you can select any one of them. If you need to use the same drop-down in other cells, select the cell that has the drop-down and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then click any other cell and press Ctrl+V to paste. The drop-down will copy across with all the same settings. If you ever need to add more years to the list, just add them to your original source range and the drop-down will automatically include them. You've now created a year drop-down list in Excel.